Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia. Thailand pa na sabi ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Vietnam. So, pito lang.
Sir, sino
Okay, now it's time.
kinatatakutan dito?
Okay, we would like to do, after Filipino song, we would like to sing an Indonesian song.
Thailand sila.
But this is an old Indonesian song, okay? There we go.
Sir, nabanggit nyo, this is the first SEA Games na
Magkamasali
magkamasali.
kickboxing.
First time. Ang plano, gawin siyang regular or paano?
Pag naka-regular na to, pag naka-SEA
Regular
Games,
na to, first ito.
pag nag-SEA Games ulit sa
Vietnam next
Asian
2
Games na to. Pasok na to sa Asian Games. Kailangan maka dalawang SEA Games ka.